channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Marisa. If you are a part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how I got this half up, half down. Your girl got some 4C hair, but in the end, I think I slayed this pretty good. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I install this beautiful hair from True Glory, then stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm just showing you the hair that True Glory sent over to me. They sent over these beautiful bomb lashes and this cute lip gloss. So they sent over two 28 inches. This is a Brazilian body wave hair. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to separate this. So my goal is pretty much, I'm going to do this as a quick weave. My goal is to do minimum heat as possible. I'm blow drying my hair on low heat. I don't know how to braid my hair to the scalp, so what I'm doing right here is just doing 2 flat twists in the back. It does not have to be neat at all. And I'm going to secure that with a rubber band. And repeat the same step on the other side. Girl, I got this brush thinking it was going to do something, pretty much because it was just a cute brush, and that's exactly what it was. I end up going in with my Denman brush. That is my trusty favorite brush when it comes down to detangling and blow drying my hair. And again, I'm doing this on low heat. And repeating the same step, just a big chunky flat twist. And I have 4C hair, as you guys can see, and very thick 4C hair. But baby, we are going to make this work. So you all know, if you all have thick hair, like myself, you have to blow dry your hair in sections. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going in with some leave-in conditioner and some heat protectant. And then I'm going to go in, again, like I stated earlier, my handy dandy trusty Denman brush. And the goal is just to pretty much get it as straight as I can. Look at all that hair. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take 2 stocking caps to put on first. To make sure that we do not get that glue on our beautiful hair. Now I'm going to go in with my protectant. This is the Roberts Diamond Bond Protective Shield. I use this on all of my quick weave installs, and it really helps to keep that glue from seeping in onto my natural hair. And I'm just going to apply it using my color brush. So I'm taking the first bundle, showing you how beautiful this hair is. What you want to do first is measure starting at the nape area, going with my Salon Pro glue. This is my favorite bonding glue. And what I'm going to do is take both sides and pull it, measuring the next area. Now I kind of go in and out with the blow dryer to adhese it. I usually wait till the end to go in my blow dryer to adhese a little bit more with the wefts. And you're just going to follow that step until you get all the way up to the top. And also, as you guys saw earlier, I did take a concealer and just kind of mark off where I wanted to, where my parting is for the top part of my hair. As you guys can see a little bit right here. And this is the fullness of the complete first bundle. Now I'm just going to cut off the cap. I was struggling right here because I was trying to see in the side mirror, but I ended up getting it off. Now here I decided I'm going to have a little bit of my natural leave out. This is probably the only time that I actually added a little bit more heat. So I'm going to go with my Kenra's heat protectant. I absolutely love this protectant. And I'm going to take my EAP flat iron on 370. I like to take it on a low heat just so I can be able to press my hair out. And I'm just going to do each section. Now I'm just going to brush the hair out. And the body waves are already pretty curls, but I want a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in with some oil moisturizer. This is the pink oil moisturizer just on my natural hair to give it some moisture. Next, I'm going to go with my She Is Bomb wax stick. This is my absolute favorite wax stick. And I basically just want to kind of lay down my edges and then brush it on through. And this is doing it, but I got to go in with my trusty. Baby, shine and jam. That right there never fails me. Watch how this ponytail is finna go to blah to bam. You talking about always wanting a sleek ponytail, go in with that shine and jam. And this is the one with honey in it. So now what I'm going to do is braid my ponytail. I was going to wrap it around, but I'm just going to make a bun, and I'm going to wrap the actual hair around my little bun, securing it with a rubber band. And again, this is just one bundle. So I'm not going to go in with the second bundle, and that's just going to be my ponytail. This is a really super easy, quick weave install in my opinion. And I'm just going to take my bobby pin to secure on the end, and I'm just going to wrap it around. And now I'm just going to take one section, the end section of the ponytail. And I'm going to go in with my hairspray just so I can wrap it around for it to have a little bit more of a sleek look. And you definitely want to take your time with this. And each wrap that you go around, you want to spray again on that actual hair piece. And then I use hairspray again to adhere it to the end. And here we go. And the curls are cute like this, but I think I want to put a little bit more curls in it. So I'm just going to go with some hair serum. This is going to help for my natural hair and the actual extensions to blend a little bit more. Now I'm going to take my curling one. I actually got this from my local beauty supply store like 4 or 5 years ago. And I'm just going to wrap that in my hair, my leave out that is out, around the actual barrel. And it gives some really pretty curls. And I'm just also going to take that barrel just to kind of lay down my natural hair as well. And now I'm going to start curling my actual ponytail. And just taking each little small section and wrapping it around the barrel. curls came out. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna take my ponytail and tease it at the top to conceal my bun. And here we go. Stay tuned for the review on this absolutely beautiful hair. I think this turned out so bomb. Okay guys, so I pretty much gave you guys the gist of the tea of this beautiful hair that True Glory sent to me. Thank you so much to True Glory for reaching out to me. They are sponsoring this video, like I said in the tutorial. This literally took me about 2 to 3 hours because I had to wash my hair and blow dry my hair. And the key factor, like I said in the video, was to not put so much heat on my hair. I usually don't like to put a whole lot of heat on my hair until about late fall, early winter, because here in Georgia it is so humid and it does no justice to my hair. But this really turned out, your girl got some hang time, you feel me? And I love inches. Like when they reached out to me, I was like, I wish I had 30 inches because I would have surely been like, give me that. I mean, I'm 5'7", so it comes down a good little bit on me. But this style, literally, I give it, I say probably about a week or two that you can get a wear out of this. But it's okay because when I take this down, I'll be adding it back again. No worries, okay? Now, I have worked with True Glory hair before, but I purchased it with my money. If you guys have not seen me install a wig that I got from True Glory, I will leave a card up here. Also, I'm aware that True Glory has really good hair because I also colored the wig that I installed. I'll put a card up here. When I did a video last year on how to get the perfect burgundy without bleach, literally True Glory, to me, the experience that I've had with them, has really nice hair and you can get it for a great price, so that's also a plus. And like, I curled this hair, the hair holds curls too. I mean, this is body weight hair, but I love hair that holds curls, and not like for a couple of minutes or anything. I mean like for hours without it just fall into like the long waves. Of course, I use a pretty big barrel to get these waves, but y'all get my drift. Like I said into the video, to my 4C girls, I know the struggle. Y'all saw my struggle with it. And girl, we can rock body weight here. We can do it. We can do it. And we did. And girl, we'll do it again. Who gonna tell me I can't slay this? Who? I'll wait. All in all, I give this hair a 9.5, 10 out of 10. Because baby, this little shink-da-dink right here that I have done, I'm ready to go ahead and slay on them. These beautiful lashes that they sent me, Atlanta Glam, I'm ready to slay on them. This bomb luxury lip gloss they sent, I'm ready to slay on them even more. Like, this is a whole look. This is a whole vibe. Like, you guys need to check out True Glory. I'm going to leave all the information down below. I also have a coupon code that I'll put down below too, so you guys can save when you guys get ready to purchase that hair. So make sure you guys check out True Glory. Tell them that I sent you. I sent you. I sent you. I sent you. And yeah, that's pretty much that I have for you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you to my new subscribers. Yeah, what's up? Thank you guys again to True Glory so much for sponsoring this video. Like I tell you guys, when a video is sponsored, I'm still gonna give you the honesty, point blank, period. Okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, bye guys.